Stop, I know exactly where you are right now. You clicked this video and then immediately checked Instagram in another tab. You're not lazy. Your brain is just cold. I'm going to fix your concentration in less time than it takes to microwave ramen. Rule number 1, do not skip a single second of this video. If you skip, you'll fail your next exam. See, that's how you hook a brain. Let's go. Most people think focus is about doing more. Wrong. Focus is about stopping more. Right now your brain has 3,000 unclosed tabs. Every notification you ignored, every message you left unread, that's a tiny leak in your fuel tank. Here's the only thing you have to do in the next 30 seconds. Ready? Close every single tab on your browser right now except this one. And turn off your Wi-Fi toggle. Not airplane mode, that's too easy to turn back on. Wi-Fi off. Feels weird, right? Like silence after a loud concert. That feeling is called cognitive withdrawal. It means it's working. The second you sit down, your brain screams, "We have 4 hours of study. This is gonna suck. Abort." And that's why you fail in the first 5 minutes. The fix is so stupid simple you'll hate me. Lie to your brain. Don't say I'm studying chapter M. 4. Say I'm just going to read the bold words on page 1 for 120 seconds. This is called microscoping. The brain fears large tasks. It's a coward, but it can't fear 120 seconds. By the time the timer goes off, you've already read 2 pages. The engine is warm. Line connected to line. That's how you win. But let's be real. You can close tabs, but you can't close your hands. They itch for the phone. Why? Because your phone is a casino in your pocket. It's giving you 700 lux of blue light screaming emergency. Here's the YouTube optimization secret they don't tell you. Light is a drug. If you study under a bright white LED ceiling light, your brain thinks it's a hospital waiting room. Switch to a warm desk lamp and put it behind the screen, not in front of your eyes. This creates a visual tunnel. Your peripheral vision goes dark. Your world shrinks to just the book. This is why movie theaters work. You're building a cinema for one. You're going to do all this and then bam, a random thought. I wonder what my ex is doing. Here's the connection. Do not resist the thought. That takes energy. Write it down. Every time your brain screams for entertainment, write it on the parking lot paper. Tell your brain, not now, Saturday, 7 p.m. Your brain just wants to know the distraction isn't gone forever. This is the loop. Warm up the brain, 5 minutes. Tunnel vision, the light. And park the thought, the paper. That's the algorithm for a focused mind. If you made it to the end of this video without checking your texts, congratulations. You just did a 3-minute focus session. You proved you can do it. Now here's the real test. Pause this video. Hit the thumbs up only if you actually turned off your Wi-Fi earlier. And comment focus locked to let the algorithm know you're in the top 1% who actually takes action. Go study, I'm watching.